In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products on Squarespace. We'll walk through the exact workflow you'll use to get a product ready for sale, keeping things clear and practical so you can follow along on your own site. Start by heading to your site's dashboard and opening the commerce area. From there, go to Products and Services, then into Products. This is your central hub where all items live, and it's where you'll add anything new you plan to sell. Next, click Add Product. You'll see product type options. In this demo, the interface shows the physical option being selected. Don't worry, Squarespace uses a very similar editor across product types, so the fields we're about to fill in, like name, description, images, and pricing, work the same way for digital items as well. Give your product a clear, descriptive name. Think about what a customer would search for and keep it concise. Then write a helpful description. Explain exactly what the buyer gets, who it's for, and any key features or outcomes they can expect. If there are usage notes or version details, include them here so there's no confusion at checkout. Add your images next. Even for digital products, strong visuals matter. Use a clean cover image, a mock-up, or screenshots that show what's included. Aim for clear, high-resolution images that look good on both desktop and mobile, and keep backgrounds uncluttered so the product stands out. Set your price. Make sure it reflects the value and scope of what you're offering. If you use promotions or plan to run sales, it helps to choose a price that gives you room for discounts without undercutting your margins. Now, add your identifiers. Enter a SKU to keep your catalog organized. It's especially useful when you have multiple items or versions. If you use them, add a G10 and an MPIN as well. These identifiers can support inventory tracking and improve product data consistency across platforms. For many digital products, SKU alone may be sufficient, but having standardized IDs can be helpful if you list in multiple places. When everything looks good, move to saving. Hover over the Save button to reveal your options. You can publish right away if the product is ready to go live. Save as hidden to keep it off your storefront while you finalize details, or schedule a publish time to coordinate with a launch window or marketing push. Scheduling is handy if you're syncing email announcements or social posts. That's it. You've set up a product in Squarespace using the core fields you need to start selling confidently.